Hello, hi, welcome to this channel. If it's your first time to see me, my name is Jackie Kabeni. This is my channel. I try as much as possible to vlog, but it's been a bit busy. I will be taking you guys with me to do shopping. I will try as much as possible to take clips. Usually 2 weeks it comes to $100, and you find that sometimes you have missed some stuff, but I'll try as much as possible to focus on foodstuffs only. So yes, let's go.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
So as soon as I got home, I started to prepare my food. I was doing a meal prep for a few days because I didn't have any other off day. So this was the perfect day to do and to prepare the food for the week.
I grew up in a place.
So I packed my food, and this is my food for the next like 3 or 4 days. I also packed fruits in Ziplocs because if I leave them for like 2 or 3 days, some of them are going to spoil. And I know this video was a little bit too short, but I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way.